How AI learns, the mathematics of machine learning. Welcome back to Anatomy of Mathematics. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of AI and the math that powers it. By the end of this video, you will grasp the key concepts behind machine learning. What is machine learning? Functions and models. Loss functions, measuring errors. Gradient descent, improving the model. Linear algebra and probability. Machine learning enables computers to learn from data without explicit programming. For example, instead of defining a cat and a dog manually, we provide numerous images, allowing the system to identify differences autonomously. This capability is rooted in mathematics. At the core of machine learning lies mathematical functions. The objective is to find a function that maps inputs to outputs, known as a model. The goal is to develop a model that performs well on new, unseen data. To evaluate performance, we use loss functions, measuring the gap between predicted and actual outcomes. For instance, if a model predicts a cat but the actual label is a dog, the loss function reflects this error. Gradient descent is the optimization technique used to minimize errors. It involves calculating the gradient of the loss function and adjusting model parameters iteratively to improve accuracy. AI leverages linear algebra and probability. Linear algebra handles large datasets through vectors and matrices, while probability helps quantify uncertainty in predictions.
Neural networks, layers of learning. Explore the fascinating world of neural networks. Learn how layers of functions work together to recognize complex patterns and drive advancements in AI. Key components of neural networks include layers of functions stacked together. Complex pattern recognition combines linear algebra, nonlinear functions, and optimization. Why neural networks matter? AI is transforming various sectors including healthcare, finance, entertainment, and transportation. Understanding the underlying mathematics is crucial to grasp AI's power and limitations. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it insightful. Please like and subscribe for more content. Stay connected with us for more insights. Follow us on YouTube, Anatomy of Mathematics, and on our social media platforms. Thanks for watching.